This is my 2006 Mitsubishi EVO 9, in case you've never seen it. Forward phasing, precision, 5858 turbo, makes 560 to the wheels. Just a nice little POV drive today. Gonna check the oil level before we leave. Okay, we're good. Quick little walk around. We have a carbon fiber hood, JDM headlights, front lip, grem lights, 57DRs on some Kumo tires, some bar style carbon fiber fenders. We have the carbon fiber extensions, the reverse spats, Evo 7 tails. Just got it painted recently. Miguel, nice to meet you.
John.
These are the actual wheels from the movie?
Yeah.
This one actually has calipers.
They have calipers. Yeah.
It's beautiful, man. I've never seen this one in person. Yeah. Oh, Jesse signed it?
Yeah. I can open the passenger door.
Passenger door?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's locked. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Noel, Hector. Oh, wow. The Supra. The Too Fast, Too Furious Supra. This one's a little bit different because I feel like everyone always does the one from the first one. So we're gonna be doing a mini doc on this one. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I'll go ahead and put it within this video, but meet up before we head out to a toy drive. Thank you, man. Miguel.
too, right? So
Ready? I'll follow you. Let's roll. We could get all the pools right here. Alright, we're about to shoot a mini documentary on this Too Fast, Too Furious Supra. Car's running good.
And how you been?
Good, man. Just chilling and doing my thing. You?
Alright,
What you up to?
autographs, more photos.
More photos?
Yeah, Too Fast and Furious.
yesterday was his son's birthday, and look at his birthday theme.
Oh, Fast and the Furious?
Yeah.
Damn. For a whole birthday party. Oh, this is the original? Ah. Yeah.
So I just made his, but Eddie had his first, and then this is his wife.